Hey guys, Blake here with Rack Attack. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Pivot V2, the swing out hitch adapter from our friends over at Kuat. Now today we're going to be going over a few different things, including an unboxing and a build-up, really breaking down why this is the #1 requested accessory for any bike rack setup. Now if you want to get your hands on one of these or anything else that we offer, visit us at rackattack.com or stop by one of your local stores. Let's check it out. All right, let's unbox it, shall we? Now, before you open up the box, you do always want to make sure that you do get the right pivot for you. What I mean by that is that there are two designations with the pivot, which way they open. So one you're going to find is passenger, the other is going to be driver. Now, there's no right or wrong answer for this, it's just which one works for you. Now, as we open the box, you're going to see that Kuat unboxing experience is always top tier. Now, they don't spare any expense when they end up packaging their products because they want to make sure that their products get from them to you unscathed. Now, you always do end up noticing that they include the signature canvas bag, which has all your goodies in here, including a locking hitch pin. Now, we're going to crack open this a little more when we end up doing the build-up. As well as you're going to find some instructions. Now, this is going to break down everything that's included, as well as all your step-by-step instructions. And, not to mention, your warranty information. Now, in all Kuat's products, they always do stand by their warranties. They don't happen very often, but when they do happen, Kuat stands by their product. You can always visit Kuat or any of their local retailers to be able to get you sorted out. And not to mention, they always do include a couple of sweet stickers in here. So that sets them apart from everybody else. Okay, now the first step you're going to want to do is take this 8mm hex key that is provided by Kuat and then use it to attach this post here on the side. Now the next step is going to be attaching this toggle clamp here with the 4 5mm hex bolts. Also with a provided Allen key. It is always super nice when these manufacturers always give you the appropriate tools. So right out of the box, it is capable for you to build this thing and not have to source any additional tools. Now what this allows you to do is this will loop around the post, and then this will allow you to lock down your swing outs so you won't end up having any unnecessary swing out once you end up attaching your bike rack. Now the pivot does come with a locking wedge style stabilization system that you are going to find on the internal part of your hitch. Now, a lot of Kuat's bike racks, including one that I have here, which is their Sherpa model, does have a version of this which you end up loosening with a knob or tightening it so that you end up not having any of that shaking. Now, in this particular case, the 8mm Allen key that Kuat provided us earlier ends up doing the job in this case. And as you see, it is pretty free floating. As you tighten this, that wedge starts to tighten up against the internal part of your hitch assembly. Always want to wiggle it as you go to make sure that it is actually tight enough. And there you have it. Now that everything is attached, last but not least, And now it's ready for use. Now that everything is assembled, to be able to operate the pivot, you end up dropping the post clamp here, as well as you end up wanting to squeeze this lever here. That's going to end up unlocking it, so it will allow it to freely swing away from the back of your vehicle. When you end up attaching it back, it will automatically engage the lever here, drop the post clamp on, tighten it up, and you're ready to roll.